Okay guys, so today we're going to be showing you guys how to remove window tint. This is a very common problem. A lot of people have this issue and there's a simple fix to it. Now some cars are more difficult than others, but I'm going to show you the best case scenario for you. Now, so you might have some of these at-home appliances. So our first one, which some people don't have, but it works very well, is a steamer. So a steamer is going to allow you to put enough heat and moisture on the film to make it really moist and make the adhesive activate and peel the film off. It really allows the film to weaken up. The second thing we're going to be using is a heat gun, okay, or blow dryer. So what I want you guys to do is first roll down the window. Okay guys, so with your heat gun, I want you to turn it on. Blow dryer, if you have a blow dryer, this is like 25 bucks at Home Depot. I want you to heat the edges, heat the film really warm. Okay. Now, with applying heat, the film is going to basically loosen, and you're going to use a scraper that you can get at your local Home Depot, and you're going to grab the top edge and peel the film down slowly. Or, we're going to use our steamer. With the steamer, we're basically going to run it all across the top. Okay, grab our handy dandy stainless steel scraper, and I want to grab this, run it on the top edge. Okay, now some might be more difficult than others to remove, so I'm going to grab this and okay, hopefully it doesn't come off too bad. Okay, pull it off. Okay. Now, this is a new piece of film, so removing this is pretty easy. Okay, that's how you remove film. Now, if you do have any adhesive left over, you're gonna grab some soap and water. Okay, so if you have any adhesive left over, you're gonna grab some soap and water. You're gonna grab your scraper, and you're just going to scrape it and get all the glue off. Now, once you've gotten all the glue off, you're safe to install new window film.